July 4th. Let the fireworks begin. The star showers, the wild flowerings, the palm trees and peonies, dahlias, chrysanthemums of high-flying light, the waterfalls of sparks, colors, the bright night burnings embering down into dark, the flashes and shimmers of earth-flung comets, bracelets, diadems, the rocketing arcs you follow with wide open eyes, almost held breath, till you oh and ah from the outbursts of silver and gold, emerald, rose, rare blue. Feel the ensuing booms reverberate in your belly as you lie face to sky on a wide-spread blanket, easy and cozy with friends, amid the dangling spangles and whizzing, crackling, whistling sounds. And savor all with innocent wonder through the last fanfare, the blazing, rousing finale, the applause, the drifting clouds of smoke and contented crowds.